This 5-minute solution will show you how to switch Microsoft account on Xbox app. On your desktop computer, open Xbox app and here make sure to sign into your account. And now to switch your account, click on your profile, click on sign out. Once you sign out from your account, click on sign in, and here click on switch account. And now select your another Microsoft account. Here you can use a different account by clicking here, and after selecting the account, click on continue, click on let's play, and this is how we can switch Microsoft account in Xbox app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.